Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Today is December the 6th, 2023, here in Florida, middle of Florida. And we are going to try to grow some tomatoes in the winter. We've got the red cherry large fruited heirloom, and then you've got the burpee delicious. So this delicious is going to supposedly grow really huge. If you look here, you'll see March through May is the recommended. Same thing over here, March through May. But they say these are, what is the word? Frost tolerant. So we're going to really put that to the test. Mind you, I don't expect this to work out, but we're definitely going to give it a try. So they recommend to start the seeds at about a 1/4 inch beneath the soil, but I'm going to go a little deeper. I'm going to go 1/2 inch. Here I have my flat bar. I use this for a lot of things. Basically just going to poke it in the ground and make little holes like that, and that's it. All right, so I took the hole and I put a little sugar sand in there because I don't think this is going to work very well for germinating the seeds. So there's that. Also, this is leaves and detritus inoculated with beneficial bacteria and beneficial fungi. So that was left to sit for about a year. Now it's in this bed, and we're going to see how well it behaves as a growth medium for these tomatoes. Okay, the seeds are in place. Now I'm just going to cover them and water them in. Pretty simple. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as that helps the channel grow. And stay tuned as I keep you updated on the progress of all these tomatoes in the middle of winter. Have a great day.